How to delete a group on Snapchat. If you created a group chat on Snapchat and you want to delete it, so let us explore the options we have. If we open up Snapchat here and we go to our chat page, we created a certain group. If we tap on the group name and we go to this three dots option, you can see there is no option to delete the group. So how do you actually delete the group? Now the way to delete a group is a quite tricky process. First, once you're within the group chat page, tap on the group name from the top. You'll see an amount of group members. Now making sure that you are the admin and the one who created the group, right? Just remove people from this group until you're the last person remaining. So remove all of these people from your group by long pressing on their name, tapping on remove from group and remove them. Also do the same for the other person as well. Now when everybody is removed and you are the only last person remaining, it says you're the only group member. What you want to do is you want to tap the three dots from here and you want to leave the group yourself. So because only you are remaining in the group and you also leave the group, then this group will be automatically deleted. So it says it will be deleted when you leave. So tap on the delete button, all the chat history is gone, all the messages are gone and nothing remains. But you have to make sure that you are the only last person remaining in the chat. So I hope this video helped you out. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down below. As always, thanks for watching till the very end of the tutorial and see you soon in the next video.